Hi everyone, I will show you how to disable active status on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook app, then tap the three lines on the top right and tap to a setting icon on the top. Now scroll down and you can see the active status option, then tap it. Now you need to turn off this option and tap again the turn off. Now your active status will be disabled. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.